Hello, I am R. Padma Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasanada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about built-in string functions, mid function, in-string function, in-string reverse function, and nifty replace function. Mid function can be represented in two ways. One is mid and second type is mid dollar. Mid function returns a string stored in a variant form, whereas mid dollar returns an actual string. In this, dollar symbol specifies the string data type. Mid function consists of three arguments. One holds the string value and the remaining two holds the integer or long integer data type. Syntax for the mid function: mid, and within the parenthesis, first we want to specify the string, and second starting value, and third one is the length, number of characters to be retrieved. Here is an example. In one variable we are using the mid statement, and in between the parenthesis and double quotes we are specifying the string welcome, and next we are specifying the starting position and the length, number of characters want to be retrieved. So here the output will be WELC. In-string function. In-string function is used to search the string. It starts the search from the beginning of the string and returns its position. It is a function of two arguments. Here in the syntax we have in string, and within the parenthesis we are specifying two arguments. One is the original string and second one is the string which we want to find. And in the example we have the original string welcome, and CO is the substring which we are going to find. So here C comes in the position number 4, so the output will be 4. In-string reverse function. It is used to search for the string from the back end of the string and return its position. Similarly, it has the two arguments and has optional arguments start and compare. Here in the syntax we have in-string reverse, and between the parentheses we are specifying the original string and the substring we need to find. And in the example we have the original string Visual Basic and the string to find basic. So it searches for the basic in the original string and return its position. So here the basic small letter B starts in the position 8. So the output will be 8. Next is nifty replace function. This is used to replace the string. Syntax: replace, and within the parenthesis we want to specify the original string separated by comma, second one string to find, again separated by comma, and string to replace. Here in this example we have a original string in the variable A1 Visual Basic, and in that we are going to find the string visual and replace it with the string Java. So far we have discussed about the built-in string functions in VB in part 1 and part 2. In the next video, part 3 is discussed. Thank you.